I want to bring in Lauren Matthias, host of Hidden True Crime podcast. You've been all over this story. Were you surprised to see him in there today?
I was very surprised. It happened before the trial even started. In walks John Pryor, and everyone was doing a double take. Like, people were even questioning, is that John Pryor? Is that Chad Daybell's attorney sitting down? And the first thing he did is start talking to reporters that were there to cover Lori Vallow Daybell's trial. It was so bizarre.
Yeah, he was dressed casually, Ashleigh. He had Doc Martens on. The whole thing, it's a strange situation in this little side room.
Can I ask a quick question? You guys weren't able to see the jurors' faces, right? And Lauren and Brian, both of you can jump in on this one as well, because a lot of what we do is we assess, how the voir dire goes, what these jurors look like and sound like, because the public isn't allowed to see them. Only people in the courtroom can see jurors, and that's supposed to be you. And even you're not allowed in there. So how are you assessing what you're, like, I guess you can only hear their voices? Like, how's it working?
That's basically it.
Yeah, you hear that they're calling them by numbers, and some people are actually, I noticed, writing the numbers down, trying to keep track of them. And then you can tell, for the most part, not always, for the most part, perhaps whether they're female or male. And that is it. You don't see them. You just hear them. You hear them answering questions.
And the strange thing, Ashleigh, and I haven't covered cases in Idaho, but the judge has the discretion to cut the feed when he wants to keep things private. So when they go personal with the jurors or when they discuss motions in the case that they don't want us to know about, suddenly the feed just turns off for even hours.
Yes.
It's so strange.
It is. And people wonder, at one point I was like, are we on lunch break now? What are we doing? And then it came back on. It was very strange, off and on.
So can I ask you guys one more thing? A lot of times in court proceedings, the journalists, you guys, get a look at the physical appearance of the juror, and you can tell the gender and the race of that juror, and that can be very important because sometimes jurors are stricken with peremptories that are not legal, meaning sometimes jurors are stricken because they are black or white or male or female. Are you able to even follow that? Because if you're not allowed to see them, what are you allowed to know?
It's just the voices, right?
Yeah, the voices, nothing. No clue as to any of that. Absolutely not.
And we'll have to stay in this little room through jury selection, and then apparently I think we'll get to go in the courtroom once things get going with opening statements. So then we'll be able to see them. But now we're kind of in the dark on that.
Not even the sketch artist is allowed in the courtroom. They're doing sketches from the same projector that we're seeing.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.